लोग राजस्थान आते हैं और महलों की बातें करते हैं। लाल मांस और दाल बाटी खाने के लिए फेमस रेस्टोरेंट्स जाते हैं। पैलेसेस में रहना होता है या फिर कलरफुल कपड़े खरीदने होते हैं। लेकिन कोई राजस्थान के रेगिस्तान के बीचों बीच आकर रहा है?
We're about to experience is luxury in the midst of the Thar Desert in Jodhpur in Rajasthan. Dhora Desert Resort and Spa में आपका स्वागत है।
जोधपुर राजस्थान का सेकंड लार्जेस्ट सिटी है and it's known as the Blue City. But do you know what else it's called? A gateway to Thar. And rightly so, क्योंकि जोधपुर आपको लेकर आता है थार डेजर्ट से बिल्कुल नजदीक, जहां मैं पहुंच चुकी हूँ। Dhora Desert Resort and Spa is a luxury abode right in the center of the Thar Desert, letting you feel like a rich Arabian sheikh. मजाक नहीं कर रही हूँ, खुद ही देख लो।
Just arrived at the Dhora Resort and this is such a gorgeous property. बिल्कुल मतलब रेगिस्तान के बीचों बीच है. There is no noise pollution, ना इतने लोग. I think it's like the perfect place to come and socially distance yourself and come for like a quiet vacation if that's what you're looking for. Even the weather is just perfect. We'll take a tour around the property together. लेकिन पहले मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ कि मेरे टेंट में क्या है. चलो.
When the hustling noises fade out and turn into a sandy wilderness of calm and quiet, तो बात कुछ और ही होती है।
So they have like a really cozy king-sized bed here. But what I'm most digging for is this view. मतलब कल सुबह जब मैं उठूंगी इस 45 acre desert land के बीचों बीच, तो I will be like, क्या मैं सच में यहाँ पे हूँ? Look at this view, guys.
यहाँ 12 टेंट्स है and each one comes with a gorgeous view. You can gaze at the beautiful dunes, watch gazelles or sit by the water body. There's something for everyone.
तो मैं बड़ी excited थी, तो मैंने पूरा property का tour तो कर लिया. I've showed you guys also, but I've had a very long journey all the way from Mumbai. So I'm going to catch on some rest for a while, and I will see you guys in some time because we have something very exciting planned. मेरी नींद फाइनली पूरी हो चुकी है. I'm all fresh and geared up to take on this day. So this resort organizes a number of adventure activities in and around this area, and for me, the adventure has just begun. We've come to a stud farm and there are a number of horses here. बहुत सारी घोड़ियाँ हैं यहाँ पे, एक घोड़ा है. But I was just noticing something. ये जो एक अकेला सोया हुआ है ना, वो मैं हूँ. That's me. एकदम डेजर्ट वाली फीलिंग आती है स्टड फार्म में आके, क्योंकि यहाँ पे डेजर्ट के बीच में these big huge stallions, very good place to come to. So I wanted to visit a local home and that's where I've come. Such a humble place. This is their kitchen is what I've been told. अंदर बहुत ज़्यादा अंधेरा है तो आपको दिखेगा नहीं. I'll just go inside and get something. रोटी जो अंदर बन रही थी एंड गरम गरम मेरे तवे से अभी उठाई है। यार तंदूर स्मेल, ऑब्वियसली सिगड़ी पे बनी हुई रोटियाँ, वेरी गुड। रिसोर्ट के पास में ही एक बहुत छोटा सा विलेज है जहाँ पे देर इज सम अमाउंट ऑफ लाइवलीहुड, लोग खेती करते हैं यहाँ पे। यहाँ पे रास्ते में जाते जाते वी सीन लाइक अ नंबर ऑफ थिंग्स, यू नो देर इज वन प्लेस जहाँ पे एक नाई बैठता है विच इज़ अ बार्बर, देर इज वन टेलर and there is one potter. So basically यहाँ पे their main occupation is you know just farming, or else a lot of Marwadis from this area specifically they go to Gujarat and they work in the cotton factories there. It's pretty interesting पता है यहाँ पे देखने का, to see how these people live, what is their livelihood like, what is their culture like. We've come back to the resort और बहुत तेज़ भूख लगी थी, so we have like a variety of food to try. There are so many sabzis here. There's one very local sabzi that I want to really try, so let's give it a shot. It's made with chas apparently, so I know I'm going to like it for sure. It's something I've never tried before and it tastes really good. Well, desert में आए हैं and it's impossible to not have a camel ride, right? I know it's pretty cliche, but the camel was here, the desert was here. How could I not? Come on, let's go. There can be nothing better than ending your day by watching a sun go down the dunes, है ना? I'm in a desert and I was definitely not going to miss that for anything. This setup is literally everything. These guys out here in Dora literally know how to pamper you and make you feel like royalty. Just look at the sun go down.
रेत के सागर, रेत में मकान, मीलों मीलों तक है न कोई भी इंसान। यहाँ के सन्नाटे में है सुकून का पैगाम। ये जन्नत नहीं, ये है जोधपुर का रेगिस्तान। lavish breakfast spread out in the open to start your day by cutting into a slice of the local Rajasthani culture.
We've had a very calming morning. It's day 2 in Jodhpur, and we were just relaxing in the room. We were at the pool. We had a breakfast. अब हम जा रहे हैं यहीं के आसपास के एक विलेज में just to learn a little more about their craftsmanship, how the people here live, to see local communities like the Bishnoi community, you know, how they're staying, what they do, the different kinds of things they do throughout their day. So I'm pretty excited. चलो जाके देखते हैं what it's like.
हाँ, इसमें दूध डाल।
अच्छा, तो यहाँ पे एक लोकल सब्जी बना रहे हैं जिसको मंगूड़ी बोलते हैं एंड इट्स मेड फ्रॉम मूंग दाल, जिसको फिलहाल इससे पीस के बनाते हैं. तो आई थिंक आई एम गोइंग टू ट्राई माय हैंड इन इट आल्सो. मैंने कभी किया नहीं है, बट लेट्स सी. ये जितना एफर्टलेसली वो कर रही थी उतना है नहीं. उनके हाथ से एकदम आसान लग रहा था, बट नॉट बैड. तो मेरा आर्म वर्कआउट हो सकता है. एकदम ही लोकल ट्रेडिशनल खाना बना हुआ है, जस्ट फ्रेश फ्रॉम देयर किचन. सो वी हैव गॉट इट आउटसाइड. देयर इज बाजरे की रोटी, देयर इज सम चिली की सब्जी ओवर हियर, एंड देयर इज कड़ी व्हिच इज माय फेवरेट. तो आई एम जस्ट सिटिंग विद देम इन देयर हाउस एंड ट्राइंग दिस. Nothing can beat कड़ी with बाजरे की रोटी. This is the best combination ever. So I requested them to lend me their local traditional outfit, and they were so sweet to give it to me. So how do I look?
At Dora, you will be entertained by a traditional Langa dance performance performed on folk music. It's full of soulful traditional music and colorful ghagras.
मारो प्यारो केसरिया
Nothing like enjoying a hot soup in a cool desert with such amazing performance. थोड़ा कल्चर, थोड़ी यादें, थोड़ी कहानियाँ और ढेर सारी तस्वीरें. That's what I have to take back home from my desert stay out here. It was one of the most heartwarming experience, and I'm saying this honestly, guys. If you come here, this is like a full bunch package of so much happiness and so much joy. From all the village visits to staying in this luxurious abode, it's just been nothing less than magnificent. If you guys like this video, then stay tuned because I'll keep taking you around all the different stays that I go to. See you guys soon.